should probably address this massive elephant in the room. I look way too young to be talking about burnout. Like, I look like a child.
Chase was awesome today. He brought a lot of fun and energy to the presentation.
Chase is a masterful presenter. He connects with the audience. He's engaging. He is so funny.
I got kicked out of Spanish class because my Spanish teacher always, every day, wore a fanny pack. Now, I'm not anti-fanny pack, but as a mischief maker, I had so many questions. Like, what is so important that you have to have it strapped to your pelvis at all times? We know that teaching and working with kids is not always fun and joyful, that sometimes there are heavy moments. So much of our energy goes into this. How do I become effective at the work I do? I'm a believer that you cannot have effectiveness without first having effectiveness. This is the social, emotional experience of being a teacher. This is having the resilience to keep trying after every effort you're doing is failing. This is having the optimism of realizing that even if it's difficult now, you get another opportunity, another moment, another day to reach your kids. This is the ability to be calm and patient and forgiving when life doesn't go your way. Hi, I'm Chase Mielke. I'm a speaker, author, full-time educator, and a believer in the idea that we give our best when we're at our best. What are the teacher-tested, research-based practices to help us live at our best? The first critical multiplier we need to adopt is understanding and revisiting our why. Why do we do the work that we do? Purpose is something you have to cultivate, like a seed. You have to tend to it. You have to make the connections. You have to provide it the resources it needs.
Chase is amazing. Chase is so engaging. He was funny, he was relatable. Hearing him talk today really just kind of solidified, this is why you're here, this is what you're doing.
Every single kid wants influence. And every adult either impairs or empowers that influence. I get what it is to be a teacher. I've been in the classroom and I've been through the challenges and the struggles, and ultimately I want to affirm educators for knowing that their hearts are in the right place. They just might need new skills and new strategies to persevere.
Every school should bring Chase in because of the fact that he is an educator. He can relate directly to us.
Chase is, in my opinion, the best choice to bring to your organization.
We cannot go through the world just trying to stave off burnout by avoiding the bad. We have to actively curate and look for the good. You see, it's in the moments where students are most challenged, in the moments where they are most challenging us, that they need us the most. It's the moments when they're struggling and straining and angry about the world, when they most need a caring, stable, positive adult. Ultimately, the things that I share, they're about more than just how to use it in the classroom. They're how to use it in life. They apply to any person in any situation, no matter what their role in education, no matter what their role in society at large. These are practices that help us become better people. So often we overcomplicate what it means to influence lives. We think it has to be the perfect lesson plan, the most engaging lesson, the most accurate feedback, when sometimes it's the simplest thing that means the most to the people who need it. It's looking for the good in a human when they can't find it for themselves. It is being present in a difficult moment when someone needs us. It is actively, consciously seeking out opportunities to lift the spirits of others. And you can do that every single day. You will never know the influence you have on the students you reach. You will never be able to track it and gauge it on a test score or formative assessment. You might not ever even know in your life the impact you make. But trust me, every single day, you make lives better.